India is proudly transforming at an ever-increasing pace across more dimensions than ever before. Its transformation is defined by the major changes of its massive auto sector. At this most exciting time for India's auto sector, the 20,000 plus people strong ANAND Group, whose components are present in nearly every vehicle in India, is leading the way. ANAND, trusted today, transforming tomorrow.
ANAND is a $2.2 billion conglomerate focused on providing cutting-edge solutions to the auto sector.
With its highly skilled and motivated engineers, we believe that business is 90% people and are committed to the growth and progress of our engineers. That is why we create an enabling climate where engineers join our unique operating engineer or OE model as permanent employees, a supportive environment for career growth within the group for professional development and beyond, a strong scope for engineers to reach senior positions within the ANAND Group companies and the broader auto sector. ANAND offers hostel accommodation for all OEs for up to 1 year and for women OEs as long as they are with the ANAND Group. It also provides professionally managed canteens, subsidized bus services, medical coverage and term insurance. We offer scholarships to deserving engineers for BTech in manufacturing engineering from BITS Pilani. We also provide company-sponsored training programs in collaboration with the ANAND University.
ANAND has also launched a joint accreditation program with the Automotive Skills Development Council or ASDC, offering government-recognized certification courses for OEs such as automotive automation, robotics engineering and automotive CNC machining technician,
which allows engineers to develop their skills and get promoted. We are the pioneers in the country in introducing automation and robotics across our processes on the shop floor. As it leads the sector, ANAND is implementing AI, ML and IoT projects that involve our engineers. We are at the forefront of designing, developing and manufacturing clean technologies in mobility and beyond. At ANAND, machine intelligence meets human talent to drive your career. This all makes us the most preferred employer in the industry. The engineers that join ANAND become a part of a group well respected for its international partnerships and a legacy of over 6 decades of global collaborations, technological leadership, extreme customer focus and excellence in quality, systems and people development. The ANAND legacy includes being the first to bring women to the auto factory shop floor in India. And today, women make up around 25% of our engineers. Our well-trained and talented engineers help us ensure we're the preferred suppliers to all the top OEMs around the world. Engineers at ANAND enable innovation and build successful careers. ANAND's vision for tomorrow goes beyond creating superior products. We are ANAND, trusted today, transforming tomorrow.